Hey guys, let's make some dinner as I tell you a little bit about myself. Now, since I've gained so many followers in the last week, because I've started to do my cooking video series, which may also want to enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, and if you're here from those cooking video, drop a comment. Cooking in the comments. Now, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I wear many different hats. I'm a wife. I'm a mom. I'm a registered nurse. I'm a realtor. And I'm here as a content creator. Now, yes, I'm the island girl, Jamaican girl who moved here to Canada. I migrated to Canada in 2011. Yes, so I've been living here over 14 years now. I I'm also an author. I wrote a book, What to Expect about moving to Canada. What to expect when moving to Canada, and that's available on Amazon. Yes, my transition wasn't easy, and if you're in the process of moving, yes, I you're prayed up. I'm rooting for you because I know it's not easy transitioning in life. Yes, so I came here, and I've been a registered nurse from back home in Jamaica. So right now I've done about over a little over 20 years in nursing, and it has always been majority of my nursing has always been mental health and psychiatry, caring for clients with mental illnesses, specifically schizophrenia. So that's what I'm currently doing Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4:30, full time. While of late, the last 3 years, I decided that I wanted to be a realtor. So now I am also a real estate agent where I help you to buy, to sell, to relocate to Hamilton, Ontario. That's where I'm based at. So if you're interested in anything real estate, hook me up and I'm happy to help you. Now, I'm also a content creator. I've started a YouTube channel, I think around maybe 3 years ago. And predominantly, most of it is around living in Canada, relocation, some finance, a little bit of everything. Because as you can see, I'm multi passionate. And of late, I started to do this cooking series because real estate did stress me out real bad. So you know what? I do what I like. I'm passionate about the kitchen. I'm always most time in the kitchen when I'm home. So I decided to take you behind the scenes of what I'm doing in the kitchen. And I realized that you all are liking the behind the scenes of my cooking video. No, I want to hear from you. What do we have in common? Are you a Jamaican living in Canada also? Let me know in the comments. Are you a nurse also? Let me know in the comments and let me know where you are nursing, if it's Canada or if it's in the US or somewhere else. If you are what else? What else, my left out? Realtor also. Let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to connect with you. Yes, let's do some networking.